Why is it that all the hyacinths here at Keukenhof stand up straight, whereas in my garden they always tend to flop, especially when they're fully in bloom?
At home, the hyacinths are too great, and when they grow up, they're gonna be heavy. But we have a trick. I have here iron pans, but you can also take an old wheel and break the spokes out, and you have the same pen.
Oh, wonderful.
And we keep them straight up, doing like this. So you get the flower, stop the pin in it, and he will stand straight up. When you don't do it, he will fall over, and he's rotting in 2 days. And the customer is disappointed, of course. But we keep them straight, and then you keep them 1 week or 10 days longer fresh. And that's the trick that we have in Keukenhof. And we do it almost all hyacinths. That's why you see they are straight.
Wonderful. That's an outstanding tip.